Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. This is Laburnum Vossii, sometimes called the golden rain laburnum tree. Flowers in late spring and early summer and is covered in fantastic hanging yellow flowers. It's a reliable, easy to manage tree to grow. This is the time of year to plant Laburnum Vossii. If you want a nice laburnum in your garden for years and years to come like this, beautiful overhanging a gate, maybe left and right of an entrance, or standing as a freestanding tree. But really colourful, easy to manage and reliable. And when all the flowering cherries are finished, laburnums are in flower, same time as lilacs and white thorn. Laburnum Vossii, if you want one in your garden for years and years to come, this is the time of year to plant it for late spring and early summer flowering. You don't have to let it grow as large as this one. It can be pruned to size that suits you. So anything from 3 meters up to decent trees like this one is. So Laburnum Vossii, now is the time to plant. Late spring, early summer colour. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.